Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about GoDaddy. We are going to talk about what is it all about, we'll compare the pricing plans, and also we'll try to sneak into it so you see what is it all about. So, what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy Website Builder is a website creation platform that enables you to create a permanent, free website without the need of any coding or development expertise. It allows you to create and publish an infinite number of pages and content on your website, as well as use features for special networking, email marketing, one-time appointments, and SSL. With GoDaddy Website Builder, you can freely build a mobile-friendly website that facilitates everything, from SEO tools to social media integration. You get the option of customizing your website to meet your specific company requirements, from several site pages to scrollable parts that you can add to each of those pages, to a gallery of photographs, menus and pricing lists, and YouTube or Vimeo movies. You can add site material anywhere you want in a number of sections. You can also adjust the color, style, and the font of the text and pick tablet and desktop layouts to offer your visitors the best user experience. You can also send email notifications to your customers about promotions on your website, coupon offers, and online events. They are, at the moment, doing a really nice sale, so you don't have to actually go straight away with a paid subscription. They should offer a freemium as well. You can straight away look on your perfect domain as low as $0.99 a month. And yeah, you can try and create domain names, you can search for them, website as a website builder, and marketing tools as well. But we are mostly looking for the website builders. So actually looking for the pricing plan is a little bit harder, but for website builder I found this as their pricing plans. So for basic it's $10 a month, for standard is $14.99, premium is $19.99, and e-commerce is $24.99. with premium having everything unlocked with max out email marketing cents a month is 25,000, which is very generous. But let's focus on GoDaddy. Let's sign in or create the website or the freemium. Should work. With the website builder, you can, as you can see, start for free. Here you can continue with Facebook, continue with Gmail, or your email account. So let's go with Gmail account, because you don't really, well, for the sake of this video, I don't really want to wait for confirmation email. Let's put it like that. Category: band, IT services, gaming, real estate agent, marketing consultants. Let's go with IT or gaming. Yeah, like whatever. What should we call your site? Let's go Matt King Tutorials. Next. And yeah, we can take a tour. Header, okay. Then we have about section. and the contact us page. Okay, that's pretty like self-explanatory. No problem in here. Also, I really like the thing that they are not asking for a credit card like Landingy did when we try to create ourselves a free option. So they straight away asked for a credit card info without any option of skipping. So yep. Okay. This is our landing page. Mad King's tutorials, and we can choose the cover media. We can blur it. Also, there's a video or a slideshow. So we can change image. Let's see what they got for us. Something nice would be appropriate. Every single one of those is free, but I like this one. Insert. Next stream. Also, you can set in what time you should update to be like streaming. Join our gaming community. It doesn't have to be gaming. I made maybe a mistake. I haven't put IT on it or band or anything like that. And here you can just simply by drag and dropping go and change everything. Test tutorial like this. Site navigation, home, events, contact us, privacy and policy. Like this, you can preview it, how it will look. Okay, this thing we have to ignore. But on the left side, you see how it will look on computer. On the right side, you will see how it's going to look on your mobile phone. So next stream, and we can add a section. We can move it down, we can move it up. We can also edit it or duplicate it, move section. There's a countdown timer, starts at 19th, ends 1st of October, but not of this year. Like this. Done. And yeah, next stream is in 83 days. Hopefully I'll make it. I won't forget. And then it's settings. Everything you can do is in this landing page or in this type of windows. So you can add a subscribe button. With the subscribe button, you can name it as you want. You can link it to some kind of Patreon. Also, we want to see on which page it is, or top of the page, edit button styles, or it doesn't have to be like that there. It can be like this, like this, like this, or like this. Pretty easy. You want to shine it. Okay, done. So yeah, you can do tons of stuff in here, but it will take some time for you to learn it. And that's completely fine. If you have any types of questions, guys, about how to get in the free version of GoDaddy, I strongly recommend it, at least for trying it out. If you want to make your first website without coding, it's actually quite nice. You can buy the domain, which is 20 euros a year. If you want to go with co.uk, it's 11.99, and madking.net, it's 19.14 a year. Or if you already have a domain outside GoDaddy, or you want to buy a domain. So yeah, you can even buy it like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions about GoDaddy, please let me know in the comment section and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.